my parents, teacher, student, and visitors. Good morning. Having an achievement is a favorite for me. I want to thank God for giving my parents who guide, teach, and most unfairly help me. I also say to my thanks to Kuya, who is my best friend. I also say to my thanks to teachers, thank you, love, and guidance, and everything to my fellow students. Thank you very much of a wonderful school. This achievement taught me to be more friendly, generous, thoughtful, Thank you. Thank you and God bless.
A pleasant day, Marians, to our respected principal, Ma'am Juliet Talumines, dedicated teachers, proud parents, honored guests, and my fellow graduates. Today is a very special day for all of us because we celebrate not only the end of our elementary journey, but also the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. Standing here again today as one of the learners who receive high recognition is both an honor and a responsibility. This achievement is not just the result of our own efforts, but also the love, support, and guidance of the people who help us along the way. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for His endless blessings, wisdom, and strength. There were times when lessons were challenging and tasks were difficult. But with faith and perseverance, He guided us and helped us overcome every obstacle. Today, we celebrate this success with grateful hearts for the gift of knowledge and opportunity. To my parents and my kuya, I offer my deepest gratitude. Thank you for your sacrifices, encouragement, and unconditional love. You supported us through sleepless nights of studying, reminded us to stay focused on our goals, and believe in our abilities even when we doubted ourselves. This recognition is not only ours, but also yours, because you have been our strongest supporters from the very beginning. Also, to my titos and titas in Batangas, thank you for all the love and support since day one. Kayo ang aking one shot away. To our teachers, thank you for your patience, dedication, and passion for teaching. You did not only teach us lessons from books, but also important values that will guide us throughout our lives. Discipline, perseverance, respect, and kindness. You inspired us to aim higher, believe in ourselves, and always do our best. To our school, thank you for being our second home. Within these classrooms and always, we discovered our talents, developed our skills, and built the foundation of our dreams. The knowledge and experience we gained here will always guide us as we move forward in our educational journey. To my classmates, friends, and fellow graduates, thank you for the friendship, support, and memories we shared. We studied together, helped one another during difficult lessons, and celebrated each other's success. These moments made our elementary years meaningful and unforgettable. Receiving this recognition today reminds us that success comes from hard work, determination, and the support of the people around us. As we move forward to the next stage of our education, let us continue to strive for excellence, remain humble, and never stop learning. Once again, thank you to God, our parents, families, teachers, school, classmates, and friends for guiding us toward this achievement. Congratulations to all the graduates, and may we continue to pursue our dreams and make our families and community proud. Thank you, and God bless us all.